Diba? Lahat ng painting na delikado din. Vertical line. So this one, ang inspiration niya is yung Hayal. The many scenes, diba, right after the destruction. Ay kalat talaga ang dead people on the streets. Sometimes a gallery carries one artist standing out his statue. Alam mo, dapat although yung game na is good fight, pero the following day, nandito pa rin sila. So, lahat visual yan. Very strangers from 15 countries. Ang signature artist is one from Batangas, si Anthony Palomo, at saka si Susanito din, Negros Occidental clay artist, more of a sculptor. So this one, ang kanyang inspiration is that yung feelings and emotion that goes when an OFW departs the country. You see, faced with an uncertain future, and then the people they leave behind. So that was the inspiration for this mural. So yung sentiments of being an OFW faced with an uncertain future. At the same time, we want a greener pasture. Saves as many as 12, 15 showcase. Sila, like this one, si Robby Saligumba. If you see red dots beside the painting or the title, it means it's already sold. Okay. So most of the times na nandito kayo, even before the daily opening, kasi yung the afternoon before the daily opening, ano na yan, yung mga buyers nandito na. Yung isang bagal-bagal lang lumakad. Pagdating, maybe, ako nangyari na sa akin yun. One painting that I really like by an artist, mamaya makikita natin. Sabi ko, mamaya na, madami pa naman eh. So, pagbalik ko, meron na gano'n eh. So, maiyak. Siyempre, the one that I got, although it's by the same artist, hindi na doesn't speak to me that much as the other one that I like. Ako, magpapakommission ako sa kanya. Usually, babae lang yung kanya. But it sometimes it takes an abstract. Minsan ang mga title niya, mindfulness or